Day 2 had so much beautiful scenery with the Beartooth Pass and Chief Joseph Scenic Byway that I had to break it into two parts. Good morning, everybody. It is a glorious day here in Big Sky Country, Montana. Today we're heading further into Montana. We'll be heading towards Red Lodge and doing the Beartooth Pass and the Chief Joseph Scenic Byway before we end our day in Cody, Wyoming. We're doing cowboy country today, and as you can tell from these glorious flags, no wind at the moment. Let's get going. Beartooth Pass is only about 66 miles long, but I had to lay down about 250 miles just to get to the doorstep. Now, if you don't understand the logic of going that many miles just to see something, hop on a bike, you'll get it. It was a beautiful morning. It was nice and clear, but it was a bit cold. I had to break out the heated gear for a bit. Don't think I'm going to need to do that where I'm going. This is Eddie's Corner. It's nothing more than a gas station and a truck stop. I saw a few other bikers here, as well as an interesting car. A few years back, I came through here when I took a wrong turn down Highway 89 instead of 87. I ended up in Harlowton for the night, and that was fine. Highway 89 was a very scenic ride, so sometimes those wrong turns are worthwhile. Just in a place called Big Timber, just getting some gas, and we're on our way to probably Red Lodge next, which will be the doorstep to Beartooth Pass. Sometimes it's impossible to avoid the interstate without adding a lot of miles. Now normally I'm okay with more miles, but I only have so many days to do these trips. Someday I'll be free to wander to my soul's content. Assuming I still have it. I'm barely halfway to hell, and things are already burning. Interesting. I love these secondary highways. You truly feel like you've escaped. They're also far more fun to ride. Ah, finally. Those look like they're trying to get away from me and make a break into heaven. Alright, just stopped, grab a sandwich and a coffee here in Red Lodge. Now we're going to head up over the Beartooth Pass. So, I guess we have to go to heaven before we go to hell, because the Beartooth Pass is pretty damn close to being that in altitude. Let's go check it out. Red Lodge sits at about 5,500 feet. The pass tops out at just under 11,000 feet. We will be doubling our altitude in a very short period of time. The Beartooth Highway is a bit of a technical road. There are lots of hairpin turns, so you need to pay attention. However, it is not a racetrack. It's best to follow the speed limit signs and enjoy the scenery. Give yourself a solid 2 hours to enjoy this natural beauty. I am already above the snow line, and I'm not done climbing yet. This is just gorgeous, absolutely stunningly gorgeous. I love it. As you ride this road, you will notice tall sticks along the edges every so often. This is so that in the spring, when they open this road with snowplows, they can find the road. This pass gets in excess of 20 feet of snow per year. This pullout was very busy. After a moment, I noticed that they were wearing suits and dresses, and one of them was in what looked like a wedding dress and ski boots. All these people were part of a wedding party that hiked down to the valley, then up the snowy area to ski. I'm sure the wedding pictures were awesome, and the memories will be even better. This road is popular with bikers and many others, and it's easy to see why. It's very curvy and scenic. Take your time and stop at as many of the pullouts as you can. Take a few minutes and soak it in. Absorb as much as you can. It will take a little darkness out of your soul, just in time for you to visit hell and char it black.